whenever I imagine the perfect dream life that I could have, it sounds nice, like nice cars, nice woman, nice, all those things, nice money. But I always just feel like something would be missing. I'd enjoy it for a week, a day, and then after that, I would be like, is that it? Is that really all I've been dreaming for in my life? Because, it's so easy to think that we want things, but as soon as we get them, we're like, oh, that was it? I remember, like, every time I would have a goal in anything, even like Fortnite, to win a game, I'd win it. I'd win the game, and then I was like, was that it? Is that really all I was putting my energy and stuff into? Like, now what's next? And if you don't know who I am, my name is Timothy, and I just love sharing these videos with you. And if you like the environment I am in, consider subscribing because I post videos like these every single day. And now I imagine that even now, every time I imagine some perfect life, that there's always going to be something missing. And even when I didn't have the perfect life, it still felt like something was missing in my life. And I've learned some things and experienced some experiences, and I feel like I know what that feeling of missingness really is. And I've just thought of a few things, and the first thing I thought of is just like I'm probably going to be alone. I'm probably not going to really have anyone to talk to or be with. Like, I have a nice house, but I would have no one to enjoy that house with. And I feel like when I started talking to more people, that thing that felt missing in my life went away. I felt like I was living more purposefully and meaningfully, and that's the thing that I was lacking a few years ago, a few months. Purpose and meaning in my life. I didn't have any reason to do anything really. I didn't even have a reason to get out of bed, go to sleep. So really try to focus on talking to people. Use the opportunities that you have. Like, so many times I would just be alone at school and wouldn't talk to anyone when there's a whole class of people I can talk to. Try to talk to as much people as you can and use the opportunities that you really have. You could be talking to more people. And if you want a great way to talk to people right now, join the like-minded club in the description. I'm in there, hundreds of other people are in there, and we all want to get better. So even if the people at school are a little weird or this and this, you have people in the like-minded club that all want to get better. But even when I talked to people, it still felt like I was sort of missing something in my life, which is honestly something really crazy that I thought of. And it's just doing things that might seem weird or crazy to other people, but for you, you find love in it and it excites you. Not for the social validation of them, really, but just because it's something that is worth doing. Because other people wouldn't want to do it and it's too uncomfortable for them or something like that. And you can actually do it. An example I can give of this is I wanted to ask a random cashier if I could have anything for free. And that might be crazy to some people, that might be weird to do that. But for me, that just excited me for some reason. It just felt so cool if I was able to pull it off and actually do it. And that's exactly what I did, because I walked out that store with the cashier giving me 8 pieces of chicken, fries, potatoes, and everything, bro. And I did that in one day because I was doing these daily adventures, which also filled my life with more meaning. Really think about cool things you can do every single day to have more meaning in your life, learn stuff, experience things in your life. Because as soon as you start getting experiences and learning things, I feel like that makes your life a lot better. Just doing small things like walking to a class that you don't really go to, just looking in the room, going on a random bus at school, talking to this one person that you didn't really talk to before. And the great thing about these daily adventures, it takes like 5 minutes to do, and you could completely change and develop yourself as a person. I've learned so much from going on these daily adventures over the past weeks I've been doing it, and I highly recommend it, bro. It's so fun doing it. It gives you something to do every single day, and it fills your life with more meaning and purpose. It's way better than reading a bunch of books or watching a million YouTube videos. You actually implement the things that you learned and learn a lot more from actually doing it. So instead of going home from school, watching a bunch of YouTube, reading books, playing games or something, try doing some cool, fun adventure. And another thing you can do when you feel like there's nothing really else to do and feel like something's missing is just do things that you like doing. Do things that are fun. Not video games or drugs, bro. Like, come on. but other hobbies that are in real life that you love doing. Whether it's going on walks, being in cool places like this. For me, I just love walking around cool places that are around me and sharing it with you, talking to you. I also like decorations and room decor. I like playing sports. I like talking to you right now. So if I do more of that, I'm gonna have more fun in my life, and my life is gonna feel like I'm not missing anything. Because when you're with people, when you have daily challenges, daily adventures you can do, when you're doing the things that you love, when you keep exceeding what you think is possible, how are you gonna have a life where you feel like something's missing? It's just not gonna happen. If you are constantly improving, constantly doing cool things, fun things, and doing it with people, how are you gonna feel like something's missing in life? Because I promise you, if you started to go out more, you started to do more things instead of read a bunch of books and actually implement what you learned, you would probably feel like you're getting closer to your goals, and is exactly what I've been doing. I've been starting to make money online. I've been starting to talk to more people, talk to more girls, and do other things fun in my life. I just feel amazing, bro. And I really want you to feel the same. So try doing these things, daily adventures, talking to more people when you really can, doing things that exceed what you think is possible, doing things you think are cool or sick but been kind of forgetting, being tired when you come home from school or school in general, and then you just can't think straight maybe when you have free time. So I really hope you can think about this the next time you're bored or not sure what to do, and you actually try doing one of these four things. So I really hope you enjoyed what I said, and if you like the environment, spread this around the algorithm, like, comment, subscribe, those things, so more people can see this cool vid, because it's a pretty fireplace, I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, join that like-minded club in the description. If you want me to coach you on quitting video games, bad habits, relapsing, all those things, check that link in the description as well. And yeah, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you later, bro. Peace. Bye bye.